really think he would get away with trying to poison our Lord?
We really were not trying to poison him.
Yeah, it's a good thing that other guy ate it instead of the monkey.
Johnny, shut up!
You would trust our Lord as a monkey? How dare you, Neanderthal!
You know, maybe. It could have just been an allergic reaction. You know, my cousin is allergic to peanuts, and he cannot even be in the same room as them.
Yeah, otherwise he swells up like balls. Really big, big balls.
What the hell is wrong with you?
He has a speech impediment.
Testicles! Testicles!
He's wearing a wire?
Holy monkey balls! Of course not.
Well, that's a relief.
Everybody on the ground! Do it! Free!
Look out, she's got a banana.
I don't think so. Wait! Mr. Fingers. Mr. Fingers. Oh, thank goodness, Mr. Fingers. I finally found you. You remember me, don't you? It's Annie. You remember? Oh, Mr. Fingers, I would feed you mashed bananas when you were a baby in my laboratory. And I used to put them on the spoon and pretend that they were trains and planes and feed them into your mouth. But you hated that. Because it's not in a monkey's nature to do things that way. Instead, you would put your hands in the bowls and mash the bananas all over your fingers and your face. That's why I called you Mr. Fingers.
Mr. Fingers.
Well, why don't we make it just like old times? Thank you. Would you like some?
Johnny. The Coke. The Coke.
Oh, right. Oh.
Oh my God, Johnny, we did it! We really did it! Oh my God. This is the real deal, man. I mean, real white powder, real green money! Oh, do you smell that? It's victory!
Can't get over it, Mel. I mean, all this over a banana. I mean, can you imagine dying because of your favorite food?
Jesus, Johnny, pull yourself together. Okay, look, we're gonna open this bag and we can buy all the bananas and take all the trips to the zoo to see all the little stupid monkeys that you want to. I don't care, just open the bag. He was a baking soda dealer.
Wait a minute, this is name brand. I mean, the good stuff. Wow. What a monkey.
Oh.